Homemade chicken Alfredo? Let me show you how to make it. You want to make sure you salt your water like the ocean. Fettuccine noodles. We're gonna let these cook for 8 to 10 minutes till they're al dente. Going stainless steel today. Pan's nice and hot. We're gonna go in some high heat oil. Our chicken. Now it's stuck. We're gonna let it cook until it unsticks itself naturally. Chicken's all done. We're gonna take it out, set it to the side. We're gonna need about 2 cups of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Freshly shredded. We're gonna cook our Alfredo sauce right in this pan. Look at all that fond. That's all flavor. Start. 1 whole stick of butter. While you're mixing the butter around, make sure to get up all that fond. Scrape it up. Now we're going in 2 cups heavy whipping cream. Tablespoon garlic, pepper, dash of salt, and a shredded Parmigiano Reggiano. That's how you know it's good. Let's taste it. Oh, that's perfect. Dump our sauce right over. Give that a good mix. That's how you make super easy, delicious, homemade chicken Alfredo. Let's get this bite.
This looks really good. I love Alfredo. The chicken's really good.
It's that stainless steel.
The chicken is really good. And the flavor of the sauce is really tasty too. I really like this. This is a nice like 8.7.
8.7.
Very tasty. And I really love Alfredo, so I'm excited to eat this.
Go make it.